Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to customize your and home screen apps. So you have to guys first of all just hold the home screen, and at the top you will see this edit option. Tap on it, and when you tap on it you will see this customize option. Tap on it, and when you tap on it you will see this option for you will see these light, dark, automatic and tinted. So if you choose light option, it will make your apps icons all light, as you can see. Now if you choose dark option, it will make your app icon all dark, so it will make your app icon background darker. And if you choose automatic, it will keep the background as per the foreground app colors. And now the last one is tinted. So in this tinted option you can customize your app colors by dragging these sliders. You can choose the colors, as you can see. You can make the combination of colors by dragging these two pointers, and also you can also guys increase the size of your app icon. Right now I just made this color, as you can see that, and this is how you can customize your home screen. Let me hold it again, tap on edit. Now you can also add the page here. Tap on it, and now you guys edit your page. You can remove and you can unselect it and delete from the home screen as well. And you can tap on edit option again, and you can also add widget from here. You can add Google search bar over here at the home screen. Also you can add the date. As you can see, I just added the date widget. So that's how you can customize your home screen on iPad in new update iPad OS 18. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.